The sun is a star, the only one we can see during the daytime. When we look in the night sky, we see endless dots of light. Every one of them is a star just like our sun. The sun is located in the center of the solar system. It is the most important source of energy for life on Earth. The sun has a diameter of around 1.39 million kilometers. This is 109 times greater than the diameter of our planet. The sun's mass consists of 73% hydrogen, 25% helium, and smaller amounts of oxygen, carbon, neon, iron, and other elements. Thanks for watching. An adult African elephant's trunk is about 7 feet long. It's actually an elongated nose and upper lip. Like most noses, trunks are for smelling. When an elephant drinks, it sucks as much as 2 gallons of water into its trunk at a time. Since African elephants live where the sun is usually blazing hot, they use their trunks to help them keep cool. First, they squirt a trunk full of cool water over their bodies. Then they often follow that with a sprinkling of dust to create a protective layer of dirt on their skin. Elephants can also use its trunk to grasp an entire tree branch and pull it down to its mouth. If threatened, an elephant will also use its trunk to make loud trumpeting noises as a warning. Thanks for watching. The leaves of most plants are green, because the leaves are full of chemicals that are green. The most important of these chemicals is called chlorophyll, and it allows plants to make food so they can grow using water, air, and light from the sun. This way that a plant makes food for itself is called photosynthesis, and it is one of the most important processes taking place on the whole planet. Without photosynthesis, there would be no plants or animals on Earth. Dinosaurs would not have been able to breathe, and the air and oceans would be very different from those we have today. So the green chemical chlorophyll is really important. Thanks for watching. The biggest animal on the earth is the adult blue whale. These animals are bigger than any dinosaur that's ever lived, and they are far bigger than the largest living land animal on the planet today. The Antarctic blue whale is the biggest animal on the planet, weighing up to 400,000 pounds, approximately 33 elephants, and reaching up to 98 feet in length. Their length is more than twice as long as a semi-trailer rolling along the highway. An adult blue whale weighs as much as 15 school buses. They are the true Antarctic giants. However, they are critically endangered, very slowly recovering from the impacts of 20th century whaling. Thanks for watching. A rainbow appears in the sky just after rainfall. Most rainbows have 7 colors in them. Those are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Rainbows appear in 7 colors because water droplets break sunlight into the 7 colors of the spectrum. You get the same result when sunlight passes through a prism. The water droplets in the atmosphere act as prisms. You can see rainbows when the sun is located right behind you. Rainbows are not an object or a thing, and they cannot be touched. They are made up of light. Thanks for watching. Neil Armstrong was the first human to walk on the moon during the NASA Apollo 11 mission on July 20, 1969. He completed the mission alongside co-pilots Edwin E. Buzz Aldrin and Michael Collins. When Neil was a child growing up in rural America, he loved to learn all about airplanes and space. Around the world, more than 500 million people watched the moon landing. When Neil stepped foot on the moon for the first time, he said the now famous line, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Neil walked a distance of about 60 meters on the surface of the moon. That's roughly the length of 11 Asian elephants. The moon landing gave us the first perspective of the Earth from space. Thanks for watching. Flowers are colorful and fragrant to facilitate insect pollination. Insects get attracted to bright colors and fragrance. When they reach the flower, pollens stick to their body and hence get pollinated. Like humans, flowers inherit their appearance from genes. Pigments are born into these plants, producing a range of colors across the spectrum. Flowers also have a sweet-tasting liquid called nectar. Flowers are the reproductive systems of plants and are therefore responsible for assuring that the plants can survive from one generation to another. Thanks for watching. Mount Everest is Earth's highest mountain above sea level. Everest is 29,031 feet or 8,848 meters high above sea level. If you measure by a mountain's height above sea level, or the level of the ocean, Mount Everest is the tallest. But, if you measure from the base of the mountain to the summit, Mauna Kea is actually taller than Mount Everest. Its peak only rises 13,796 feet above sea level, but it is 33,500 feet above the mountain's base on the ocean floor. Mount Chimborazo earns the title of highest mountain above Earth's center. It may only be 20,702 feet tall, but because of the shape of the Earth, it is actually the furthest point away from the center of the Earth. Thanks for watching. Nikola Tesla was a native-born Serbian scientist, inventor, engineer, and futurist. His work with electricity led to many advances in communication and technology. Nikola Tesla is most famous for his work on the alternating current electric power supply system. In 1899, Tesla conducted many experiments from a laboratory in Colorado. Tesla demonstrated that electricity could be sent without wires. In 1905, Tesla lost support to construct a wireless communication tower. That idea and many of his others were never realized in his lifetime. Thanks for watching. Snow is made from ice crystals. Many ice crystals together make up a beautiful snowflake. Light is scattered and bounces off the ice crystals in the snow. The reflected light includes all the colors, which, together, look white. Snow reflects all colors and all the colors of light add up to white. All of the colors of the spectrum combine to make the color white. However, snow can also be other colors. Snow can also look blue or purple or even pink, depending on how the sunlight hits it and whether it is in shadow. Thanks for watching.